Bitcoin money in every way that really matters has a medium-term opposition at $119.28 in a genuinely significant manner. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $248.76 in a kind of huge manner. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20 in a sort of significant way. The very current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money in every practical sense is at $174,968,205, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. 07 November 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time, especially got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what basically is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money. Especially as BCH a for the most part wise interest in a huge manner. Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels and so forth, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Yet, prior to plunging truly profound into the BCH specialized examination, by and large let us especially discuss the genuinely current economic situations, showing how Bitcoin money truly has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28 in a huge manner. Market investigation over the last 24 hours, there really was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $1,325,730,169,204, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The sort of complete exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $41,562,812,633, which shows that BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $248.76, or so they really thought. Bitcoin shares 51.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, which by and large is genuinely huge. Which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,929.95 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, or so they for the most part thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 0.5%, coming to $1,890.07 during the past 24 hours. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.03, following a value change of 3.01% inside a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 2.1 and right now exchanging at 69 cents, exhibiting that the by and large current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money for the most part is at $174,968,205 in a huge manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which basically is genuinely critical. These occasions for the most part show that the market is going in a by and large descending, heading for commonly present moment, which really is genuinely critical. Right now, a kind of broad genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how 07 November 2023. In this video, we will generally walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time, for the most part clarified pressing issues, facts. What essentially is somewhat transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money, by and large is BCH a kind of wise speculation, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money backing and opposition backing and obstruction fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to essentially distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers by and large become sort of more kind of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which certainly shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 0.5%, coming to $1,890.07 during the past 24 hours in an especially enormous manner. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which merchants by and large become move in every practical sense, dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in an unpretentious manner. Following by and large are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The exceptionally current Bitcoin money cost most certainly is $248.76, with an exchanging volume of $174,968,205 in the beyond 24 hours, which by and large shows that the in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $41,562,812,633. Which essentially shows that BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $248.76 in a quite huge manner. Presently, BCH explicitly is up by 4.76% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,863,952,271 United States dollars, kind of additional appearance how Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels, and so forth incredibly. Bitcoin Money Value Examination BCH Cost Investigation for 07 November 2023, inside an everyday time period, generally made sense of beneath, exhibiting that yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the BCH specialized examination, by and large, let us in a real sense discuss the genuinely current economic situations. Showing how Bitcoin money in a real sense has a medium-term opposition at $119.28, or so they generally thought. We utilize sort of relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense. Straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving in every practical sense, normal, EMA, to especially dissect the future development of the Bitcoin money, showing how Bitcoin money basically has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. While BCH's Williams %R marker generally is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange in every practical sense, signals sort of is truly conceivable at this reach, especially further appearance how while BCH's Williams %R pointer sort of is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange, really signal all things considered. Is entirely conceivable at this reach, or so they certainly thought. The fundamentally relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the BCH coin generally is in oversold stage, as RSI truly is at 25, so these occasions basically show that the market by and large is going in an especially descending bearing for commonly transient in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line is remaining underneath of the fundamentally signal line after a hybrid, which by and large shows that Bitcoin Money Value Investigation BCH Cost Examination for 07 November 2023, inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time span in a real sense, made sense of beneath, exhibiting that yet prior to plunging profound into the BCH specialized examination. Especially let us really discuss the very current economic situations, showing how Bitcoin money essentially has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money financial backers need to generally hang tight for any directional change over the truly everyday diagram, so Bitcoin Money Value Examination BCH Cost Examination for 07 November 2023